I decided to change my life. I had gone to a dark place which was killing my everyday life, my marriage, my relationship with other people. It had just become so difficult for me to live. So I started to search for something that would literally destroy my old life and give me a new life. And that's when I found Arkana. And Arkana struck me because reading the reviews, it was clear that it was different because it had so much care and attention to the detail. I can only confirm what I read. This place is really incredible. The staff here is amazing. It never makes you feel alone, and it's a safe place. I really felt comfortable because doing Ayahuasca and Sapo, which they offer here, is very rough, very difficult, tiring, but with the comfort of the structure and the help of the staff, I managed to pull through, and they helped me reborn again. So for me, it's an experience I will never forget, and I will never be thankful enough to Arkana. They are my new family. They brought me back to life.